Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I achieve this braidless crochet hair. So guys, if you want to see a beginner friendly video on how I achieve this braidless crochet hair, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, the first thing we are going to do is we're going to start by prepping the hair, okay, for the braidless crochet hair. So guys, making use of olive oil, okay, I'll be applying it onto my hair as my hair oil, okay. So guys, you just need to apply the olive oil to your hair root and also to the ends, okay guys. After that, I'll be going in with this hair conditioner, okay guys, goat milk conditioner, okay guys. I'll go ahead to apply some onto my hair because it's for smooth and thick hair, okay guys. And then after applying the hair conditioner, I'll go ahead to comb out my hair, my natural hair, making use of a comb, okay guys. I combed out my hair, my natural hair. And then after that, we are going to make use of some rubber bands, okay guys. Okay, this is a small size rubber band. So guys, you just need to section out a small piece of your hair, then making use of a rubber band, okay. So guys, you just need to secure it, making use of a hair rubber band, okay guys. And then we are going to do the same thing next. So guys, after securing it, making use of the rubber band, okay guys, we are going to join it to the other one in which you sectioned out. So guys, see what I did again. So guys, now I'll go in with hair gel first in order to lay my baby hair and my front hair. And then making use of a comb, I combed it in order to lay it properly. Then I secured it making use of a hair rubber band, okay guys. And then for the second one, I sectioned out a second piece of hair and I as well secured it making use of a hair rubber band, okay, or rubber band. And then I joined the two together, as you guys can see, because we are making a braidless crochet hair. And so guys, I actually did the same thing next. I joined the hair I secured making use of rubber band to the other one, okay guys. And then coming to the back, okay guys, I took the other one, as you guys can see, and then I joined it together making use of a hair, rubber band too guys, because it's a braidless crochet hair. And so guys, as you guys can see, I'm making it to be very much beginner friendly and detailed video on how to make a braidless crochet hair. So guys, after securing your hair making use of some rubber band, okay guys, then we are going to join the final ones together like this, as you guys can see. Secure it making use of some rubber band, okay guys. After securing it, then we are going to braid it up, okay guys. You just need to bust braid it, okay. So guys, after bust braiding it, okay, you're just going to tuck it in, okay, at the back, okay. Make sure it's well secured, okay guys. Tuck it in properly and ensure that it is well secured. And so guys, coming over to the crochet hair I'll be making use of, okay guys. I'll be making use of this crochet hair, okay guys. So guys, this is a DIY crochet hair, okay guys. I did the crochet hair by myself. I'll be uploading the video up here. I'll be putting the link up here and also in the description in case if you want to see how to do it. And the crochet hair comes in, okay, I have here 80 strands, okay guys. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is, okay, making use of a crochet hook. You're going to pass the crochet hook underneath of your hair, as you guys can see. Then, okay guys, place the crochet braid on top, bring it out and then secure it. So guys, as you guys can see, like you can normally do in a crochet wig or crochet hair. So guys, you just need to start to crochet your hair, okay. Pass the crochet hook underneath, place the crochet braid, remove the crochet hook, twist it, and then make a knot in order to secure it. Okay guys, so guys, as you guys can see, I started from the back. In case you're a beginner, you're thinking maybe you want to know how you can do the back of your hair, guys. Okay guys, you just need to make use of your sense of touch, okay guys, in order to do this braidless crochet hair at the back. So guys, I just kept on crocheting my hair, okay, doing the braidless crochet. As you guys can see, I'm passing the crochet hook or the latch hook underneath, as you guys can see, and then I place the crochet hair on top, bring it out, remove the crochet hook, make a knot, twist it, and make a knot. So guys, that's pretty much it. So guys, I'm going to allow you guys to watch, okay, on how I did this braidless crochet hair, very detailed and beginner friendly. So guys, just need to keep doing the same. Pass the crochet hook underneath of the hair. So guys, you just need to make sure that you don't cut your hair, okay, in the process of doing this. You need to crochet it together if you want it to be too close together, or maybe you can space out your braidless crochet hair, okay guys. But all you need to ensure that it is well full and fitted to your liking, okay guys. And so guys, coming to my front part of the braidless crochet hair, as you guys can see, I did the same thing, passing the crochet hook underneath of my hair, placing the braiding the crochet hair, okay, bringing it out, twisting it, and making a knot, okay guys. So guys, as you guys can see, I crocheted, okay, on top of the hairband or so, and I as well crochet by the sides in order to ensure that I covered my hair properly, okay. I'm able to crochet it properly. You guys can understand what I'm saying. So guys, yes, that's it. As you guys can see, I ensure that I crocheted every part of my hair. And so guys, I did the same thing on the second section of the braidless crochet hair. So guys, you just need to keep crocheting or doing the braidless crochet hair. So guys, one thing I like about this braidless crochet hair is that it is very much easy and fast to do, okay guys. Like the time you use in order to braid up your hair, you can as well use it in order to be almost through with the crocheting of your hair. So guys, as you guys can see, I'm crocheting the sides, okay, by the side of the hair I sectioned, okay guys. I crocheted on top and by the sides, okay. And so guys, it took me like roughly 2 hours to finish doing this braidless crochet hair. And so guys, coming to the front part, okay, I did a knotless crochet hair, okay guys. I twisted it. Instead of bringing out the two together, I selected one of the hair and then secured it. I actually did a knotless crochet hair. So guys, you just need to pass the crochet hook underneath of your hair, okay guys. Then place the crochet braid, bring it out, okay guys. Twist it. Instead of taking the whole two of the crochet braids, you're going to take one and then knot it, okay guys, in order to secure it properly. So guys, you guys can see it there. Okay guys, I actually did this at the front part, okay guys, to ensure that my hair is well secured and it looks very knotless and clean. So guys, you guys can see what I did. I took one of the crochet hair instead of the two and then knot it to secure it. And then guys, yes, I also crocheted by the sides. Okay, I crocheted on top by the two sides. Okay, and so guys, I think this is very much this is self-explanatory. Okay, and so guys, and it's very detailed for beginners. I took my time. Okay guys, and I'm very sure you guys might will like it. Okay, so guys, yes, so guys, I want you guys to please help me. Okay, if there are any suggestions in which you would want me to make, any improvements you would like or you would want on my YouTube channel, okay guys, please don't forget to comment. Okay guys, comment it in the on the comment section. And so guys, yes, I continued crocheting the hair as usual, and then coming to the front part, I ensured that I did a knotless crochet hair. Okay, so guys, I as well crocheted on every part of my hair. Okay, so guys, you just need to keep crocheting the braidless crochet hair. Okay guys, and yes, and also when you come to the front part or the sizing you would like to style it, you have to ensure that you did a knotless crochet braids there by taking one of the crochet braids instead of the two and then knotting it. Okay, so guys, after crocheting your hair, okay, you just need to trim out the ends. Okay, because this the crochet braids I use is a DIY crochet braid I made. You can check out the video in the description or up here. Okay guys, you just need to trim out the ends. Okay, or any knots, any knot on your on the crochet braids. Okay, and so guys, that this is the finished look on how I achieved this braidless crochet hair. I also went ahead to do my makeup. Okay guys, and so guys, yes, that is it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. So guys, don't forget to comment any suggestions in which you want me to make. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.